Hello everyone, welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. So it looks like AT&T's Internet Air is being praised by the analysts at Evercore. They're saying that AT&T is expected to gain 75,000 total fixed wireless access customers this year, and they said that should expand up to 525,000 customers next year. These analysts at Evercore are calling this a healthy ramp. However, they are cautioning everyone. They're saying that we could be seeing the growth in fixed wireless access gains mostly being offset by accelerated copper declines across its base. Other analysts mostly agree. AT&T is clearly less committed to fixed wireless access, as its primarily focus is on fixed fiber to home, and plans to use fixed wireless access as a transition technology before migrating customers to fiber. Analysts at TD Cowen wrote in a recent statement saying that, to that end, we don't expect a net add cadence resembling Verizon's fixed wireless access and certainly not resembling T-Mobile, saying the product has also not yet been launched for business customers. AT&T did introduce its Internet Air branded 5G fixed wireless access internet service back in April and expanded it to 33 markets earlier this month. They're calling this a rising tide. They're saying regardless, AT&T's entry into the 5G-powered fixed wireless access industry is noteworthy, considering its peers Verizon and T-Mobile accounted for all of the growth in the U.S. broadband industry during the past 12 months. So Bruce Lakeman from Lakeman Research Group says over the past year, fixed wireless access services have accounted for 101% of the approximately 3,625,000 net broadband additions. So in the third quarter, Lakeman Research Group calculated that the top U.S. cable companies collectively gained 5,000 subscribers. Top wireline phone companies lost about 5,000 total broadband subscribers, and fixed wireless providers, which is T-Mobile and Verizon at the time, added about 940,000 subscribers. So I think it's worth mentioning that AT&T fiber is where it's at when you want AT&T's home internet option. That's the best choice for you. Nothing is going to beat fiber, right? But rest assured, AT&T will remain committed to their fixed wireless access. It's not going anywhere. And that's going to be the same with T-Mobile, and that's going to be the same with Verizon. And why? Because there's a demand for it. There's, as discussed in previous videos, there's simplicity to it. There's ease, okay? There's no cabling involved. There's no repairman involved. There's no commitment involved. It's pack it up and take it with you. It's mobile. You know, for a lot of people that, you know, students maybe, people that work on the road a lot, travelmen, you know, travel businessmen, they can carry their reliable internet access with them wherever they go. If you stay at hotels a lot, you don't have to log into the hotel Wi-Fi. You can use your own wireless service, hook it up, you know, and have a steady connection. Now, you know, it's important to note for those of you that are going to immediately say nothing beats fiber. Of course not. But you can't take fiber with you wherever you go. And, you know, fiber requires a repairman. It requires a commitment. It's often more expensive. So that's the thing with fixed wireless access. For many that don't want to deal with all of those hassles that comes along with cable, fixed wireless access is a healthy option for many. And for many, it's all they need. Even if it saves you just a few bucks a month, that is more than enough motivation for many. You know, it's the same thing with why we still have, you know, mobile plans that don't offer unlimited. You know, maybe plans that offer 5 gigabytes of internet a month or 10 gigabytes of internet a month. And often you're only saving maybe a couple of bucks by doing that. But to each his own, you know, maybe someone feels that saving $7 a month to not have an unlimited plan is well worth it for them. It's wasteful. So you can't tell someone what to believe or how to feel. It's their money. It's their choice. So personally, I think fixed wireless access is here to stay. I think the simplicity and convenience of it is good. I think the fact that you can just pack it up and take it anywhere with you is going to be a great option for many that travel a lot. Like I said, students, on the road salesmen. And keep in mind, as the article mentioned, AT&T has not even launched it to the business side. Once they do that, I think they're going to see a nice, healthy grow because, like I said, it's super convenient for businesses. They can just send it to their staff, those that are eligible for it, and there you go. During the pandemic, we had so many people working from home. A lot of employees probably didn't even have internet access. Believe it or not, there are a lot of customers that were probably, using hotspot off of their phone. So, you get your hands on one of these devices, you're good to go. You set up shop at home, you get your, your work area set up, and now you're logged in on fixed wireless access, whether it's AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, doesn't matter. And then you're good to go. So the biggest thing is the ease of use with fixed wireless access. For most, it's enough speed. It's really all we need when we really think about it. You can have multiple devices logged, set up to that network, and you should just be fine. Unless you're doing some kind of heavy streaming, if you're a heavy gamer or doing hours long live streams where you feel you need a solid, super fast connection to internet, you don't need fiber. You want fiber. Okay? Now, of course, me personally, I prefer fiber. I prefer that. That's what I want. But for those of you that don't need that and don't want to deal with that, fixed wireless access is a great option for you. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, link down below in the description. There are some paragraphs that I skipped over in case you want to read it. But as always, thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.